So which of the following refers to coaxial cabling? We have fiber optic cabling. This is going to be a totally different type of cabling. Fiber optic is a very thin cable, and inside of it is glass and or plastic, and it will pulse light at the end. And this is how data is sent through it. It's very fast. But it's not coaxial cabling. Copper cabling is used in coaxial cabling. Now we have does not provide protection against EMI and provides protection against EMI. Well, it definitely provides protection against EMI, electromagnetic interference. So it prevents signal leaking out and interference in, protecting the inner signal from that outside interference and from getting out. The shielding is designed with either a braided metallic shield or a mesh foil, and that's surrounding the copper line inside. Like I said before, it's used to carry cable for television signal. That's what it was intended for, but now it's used for broadband internet access. So those are our answers. The following traits of coaxial cabling that are listed here will be that it provides protection against electromagnetic interference. We have copper cabling as a trait. It's used for carrying cable television signal, and it's now used for broadband internet access.